Hello everyone, we are here today on the Disney Fantasy to do a stateroom tour of a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with an extended veranda. This room does sleep up to 4 adults and has a great amount of space in this room.
And as a Category 4E, we love all the rooms that have extended verandas. They're super cool and we can't wait to show you.
Let's go check it out.
When we first come in here, over on the left, we have our closets. There's lots of space in here for your luggage. You also have your life jackets. You've got a closet rod with some hangers, and you have a safe down below. There's also a bag for your laundry. If you'd like to send that out, they do have that service available here on the ship. And in the closet next to it, we just have more space, more hangers, and a little bit more space down below. There's also a ladder in there. If you were using the upper berth with the extra bed there, then the stateroom host will get that ladder out for you whenever they make the beds up in the evening. Behind me, we have the 2 bathrooms, and there is a split bathroom setup here. The first half has the toilet and a sink. You've got some storage down below the sink as well as a trash can, and you have a decent amount of counter space here, a couple small shelves up on the wall, and we do have that liquid hand soap in here as well. And you can even see how fancy we are here on Disney Cruise Line. They stamp the toilet paper when they fold it over. Little Disney Cruise Line logo. And then the second half of the bathroom here is where you will find the shower. So we've got the vanity there with some space down below. And again, those shelves up on the wall. We have a big refillable bottle of lotion there. And we have the tub and shower in this particular stateroom. We've got the detachable shower head that you can move up and down on the pole there. We have the large size bathtub. Some of the staterooms do have the smaller bathtub. This one has the big one. And we have the big bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash as well. In the curtains here in the room, we also have some little Mickey heads on both of the curtains. A little nod to Mickey Mouse there in the rope design. Coming into the rest of the room, you can see on the left we have some more storage space, a few glasses for water there, and some drawers down below that. There is a connecting door for the stateroom next to us. And the queen size bed here is raised up off the ground. You've got storage underneath for your luggage. Got a nice little bed runner here that has some nautical elements on it, including the Disney Cruise Line logo and Mickey's silhouette right there. And on each side of the bed, we have a small lamp. You can see with a map on the lampshade there, castles representing the different Disney parks and the different Disney cruise ships represented as well. And the little Mickey heads punched out of the bottom of the lamp. So that's super nice. There's also a clock over here that has a couple USB outlets in it that you can use to charge your devices. And there is one additional outlet down below the clock. And that clock is set to ship time. So if you go through any time zone changes or anything, the stateroom host will adjust those for you. Over on the other side, we have the same setup with the light. We also have a phone over here, but there are no outlets over here for charging your devices. And we do have this small drawer down here, so you've got a little bit of space for storage here next to the bed. The curtain can partition off the room if you'd like, and it does a really good job of sectioning that off when you pull it all the way across. We've got a piece of art here on the wall with Disney Cruise Line sailing away, everyone on shore waving bon voyage. And in the other half of the room, we have a large desk area with a small TV there on the wall that does swing out on an arm, so you can face it over towards the bed or over here towards the couch. We've got a little bit of cabinet space up in the top right there. We also have a mini fridge down here on the left, and this mini fridge doesn't have any type of freezer section, but it is a pretty good size. You can fit quite a bit in there. We have a small chair here, and look at the drawer pull on this little drawer. There's another Mickey head there. And of course, we've got a pen and paper and some other things in the drawer there. There are a couple outlets here that you can plug in anything you need to charge. And there's also a hair dryer outlet there. You'll find that hair dryer in one of these drawers down below typically. So that's where you can plug that up. And of course, we have some lighting in here. More of those little Mickey heads punched out of that light too. As for the beds over here, we have the couch that pulls down into a twin size bed. And we also have an upper berth or a bunk bed, pulls down out of the ceiling there, and the stateroom host takes care of that for you if you need to utilize that. There's a small little coffee table here, which is nice when you need to move it out of the way. Got some artwork on the wall of some different Disney stamps. We've got the Aristocats, we have Lady and the Tramp, Mickey Mouse, Hercules, Little Mermaid, a little bit of everything there. And then we have the main feature of this room, the balcony. We have an extended veranda on this room. So we're gonna go out here and check this out. You can see it is much larger than a typical room. Not only do you have your standard deck chairs here with the table, you also have 2 additional deck chairs that are a little larger, like the ones they have up on the top deck. So a ton of space here, and the railing is clear. You do have a piece of plexiglass there, so no worries about littles falling through there, but you've got a beautiful view out when you're at sea, and of course when you're in the island ports as well. Just a great balcony here. Definitely a highlight of this particular room. And that is going to conclude our tour of this Category 4E Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with extended veranda.
We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And if you head over to the channel, you'll find lots of other stateroom tours on Disney Cruise Line and room tours around Walt Disney World and other Disney resorts around the world. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.
We're here with the ears.